So hey guys, I'm bringing you people to my kitchen. I'm going to the kitchen. So yeah, I'm going to be making dinner today. So yeah, we are cooking together. So hey guys, I just marinated. So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naz, and please don't make it your last time by subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification so you know once I post a new video. So yeah guys, it's actually been a long video getting to this place because I've been filming all through, like I really didn't talk to you guys. But yeah, before I get to the whole unboxing I want to do, because I have a huge, like a whole lot of things I want to unbox, My birthday is just like few days from now. My birthday is 4th of August, which give and take 6 days from now. So yeah, and I got a lot of birthday gifts already. Basically family though, they gifted me already. So I want to be showing you guys all of them. But before then, today's video is sponsored by EP. So these are the sponsors of today's video. So yeah, I got this perfume from a brand. EP is a brand, a South African brand that produces a lot of things aside perfume. They have diffuser, they have lotion that smells like bomb, they have scented candles, they have like a whole lot of things. It's not just perfume. And for their perfume collection, they have for female, they have for male, and they have for unisex. So yeah, everything is on discount. The perfume, the lotions, the diffuser, scented candle is on discount, 20% discount from now to the 5th of August. And this perfume lasts for so long. If you know me very well, you know I love like my environment and myself smelling so good. And adding this to my perfume collection is like, I'm super excited. This is something you have to buy from, if not for any other reason, because they are working with your favorite YouTuber. Yeah, so you have to patronize them. If you're in South Africa, you can buy from their website. Then if you're in Nigeria, they also have a branch in Nigeria where you can check out for Eden perfumes as well. West Africa, you see it, and you see the prices in Naira. That's their Nigeria page on Instagram. And in case, just in case you are not into perfumes, you can get diffusers. And just in case again you're not into diffusers, you can get scented candles. And if you don't like scented candle, what else? Body lotion. So there are a whole lot of options for everybody. So go check out Eden perfume and buy things from them. Thank you guys, I really love it, trust me, I love the smell. Yeah, back to what we have for today. So you guys, that's it. So first of all, I got a whole lot of things and I don't even know what to start from. So I feel like I should actually hold some things and show you like in a proper birthday vlog, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is this. So I got a new phone. The truth is that this is a fake unboxing. I've really unboxed this phone. Yeah, but it's a new phone. I got this. This is a Samsung. Let me just show you. So I've always wanted a new phone. Yeah, I really wanted a phone. So this is how it is, and these are the chargers and the whatever. The truth is I don't know how to use Android. Please don't get me wrong, it's not like I've not used an Android phone before. I have, yes, but you know, like I used it back in secondary school. Yeah, I know it has not been so long the way I exaggerate it, but I don't really remember how to use it. I've not set up this phone. I don't even know how to do it. So I was like, okay, I'll just show you guys, then I'll try to set it up. So yeah, I'm grateful to God I received this phone, because the phone I'm using to film is officially going to be my camera now, and this is going to be my phone. So they have actually shared duties. This is the camera and this is the phone. So yeah, you're going to be seeing it in subsequent videos. So that's the first thing I got. Then this perfume I love. Then I got these glasses. I don't know, I just stole these glasses. This is a real designers. Like this is Fendi and this is original, so I have to steal it. Don't ask me who I stole it from, in case you watch this video. Then I got this again. So yeah, my parents traveled and they came back with a bunch, like packs of these. They came back with packs of these, so I just took one. So this is what I took. I don't know if this is a gift or I just took it to myself, but let me say it's a gift. Then another thing I want to show you guys that I've shown you before in this vlog is this bag. I really love the bag. The leather is top notch. I don't know, I'm just obsessed, and I don't have a big bag. In my opinion, I feel big bags are for mothers. Do you understand? But right now I feel like I need big bags, because I have my laptop. I need things, a bag too. I can easily travel with, like unlike the regular ecolag and all those things. So yeah, then I shall got this clothes. I don't know, the clothes is looking like this is how the clothes is. It's fine though. I like the material because it's the same company. Is it the same company? I don't know, but I feel it's the same company with this bag, so the quality is very good, but it's bigger than myself. So maybe guys, this is my birthday gift though. Yeah, I know my birthday is still next week, but I'm showing you the birthday gift already. So but some of the favorite things I got is this bag. Then I bought this one myself. I have the other one. Wait, let me see if I got this one. This particular Nivea. I got this one because of the SPF. I got this from Everyday. If you know Everyday, I don't want to explain anything about Everyday, but if you're watching me and you're not shopping from Everyday, you are offending me. Just know it. So if you like, shop from Everyday. Everyday is my favorite store though. So, and there are a lot of branches everywhere. Port Harcourt, Owerri, Aba, Lagos, Abuja. Talk of it, there are a lot of branches everywhere. So patronize it. So yeah, I saw Chinezerem. I don't know if you know her. She was like, your lip needs SPF as well. So I was like, wow, I'm buying this. So I got it. Then next is this Jumia. These ones are the things so I got this simple. This is the normal face cream I use. So I got something that is very, very simple. Judging with the name. Then I got this simple face wash as well from the house. Yeah, and then this Abino from house as well. So these two came from the house, but I've been using their face cream before, so I got the other ones from Jumia. Got this one too. This thing is from Kamsi's Corner. Guys, what this is I'm showing you is my money. This one is my money, except the one I tell you I got it from the house. So I'm showing you for the things I bought for myself as a birthday gift. So I got this from Kamsi's Corner. In case Kamsi watched this video, Kamsi, please subscribe to my channel. I love you. So I got this from Kamsi's Corner. If you know, if you are in Nigeria, you should know Kamsi because she's one of the biggest YouTuber right now as I speak to you. Yes, argue with your keyboard. That's mine. So then next I got this. I've been wanting to try this. Chineze has somehow, she just made me fall in love with my skin. I've really not been the skincare person so yeah guys, I got cut off from the video. I didn't even know the video stopped filming. I was still talking about these two products. So yeah, I officially have a cream now and I'm going to be using this for my face. So yeah, these are the two products I got. Then I also showed you this one, but the clip was cut off. This is an XPF I got. So yeah, this is Aqua something Aqua Rich SPF 50. So yeah, then but before I show you the things I got from Arami, yeah, I want to be talking about the word of the vlog for today. In case this video just cut off, then I'm going to save two other things. I'm going to show you the next video. They are still part of the things I got as birthday gifts. So yeah, today's word of the vlog is find the dots. What did I say? Find the dots. So yeah, find the dots is, you know, there's this saying that the dots would always connect. So yeah, but I feel if you've not even find the dots, how would you be able to know the dots and then allow the dots to connect? So yeah, I'm going to break it down. Finding the dots is finding yourself. If you watched the previous video, the word of the vlog for that day was be consistent. Today's one is find the dot. Find yourself as a young person. In everything you do, find yourself. I don't believe in being people pleaser. I believe in doing what you like, what you love. Fall in love with yourself, and trust me, every other thing is going to fall in place for you. But when you don't even love yourself and you're living your life because you want to please people, trust me, your life is going to be a shambles because you don't even know where. So this is for myself, and this is it. Hey God, this is for a friend of mine. She gave me money to buy for her, you know, that kind of thing. Like she wanted, she saw that the oil was naira, she wanted as well. Then this is a gift for someone as well. So yeah, so they are basically the 3 things I got from Arami. Then this one is the cream. So yeah, this is, I think this is the major real unboxing here, because I've not even seen this thing before. Every other thing here I've seen them, like all these unboxing I'm doing, they are real fake. Because I've seen them. Yeah, it's not like I'm just seeing them for the first time, but this is the only thing that I've not really seen. So find the dots, find yourself. Don't just move around with the whole wind of this our own generation, because a whole lot of things is happening. So yeah, find yourself first. Okay, so I got their body butter. You can tell that my body is about to be transformed. So yeah, like I say, I already fell in love with my body. This is purely coconut. I don't know, it's smelling like just coconut. Light as fuck. So guys, they have taken the lights. Is that one still? Yeah, they have taken the lights. So I got this. So possibly for these 2 cream now, I'm going to be using the 2 of them, but I'm still going to seek for skincare advisors. I want to be using this one for night, this Arami coconut water, because the smell is smelling coconut. Then this one for day. So I'm still going to confirm from people if I should just use one at a time. Do you understand? Of the vlog, which is find yourself. Fall in love with yourself, guys. Forget this whole thing that is happening in this country, because I understand that Nigeria is just a mess. It will just cloud your head. You just be like you're making moves while you're just stuck, you know, that kind of thing. Fall in love with yourself and everything will fall in place. That's the word of today's vlog. So yeah, then this is the last thing I'm going to be showing you, because my phone space. So yeah, I like Jesus. I think everybody already knows I'm a neutral babe. See, they want something that is so neutral. Like, they know I don't love color. I got a blender. You know I have a blender, right? I have a blender before, but that one is what is it called? That tiny blender that you can use without lights. I don't know if people understand what I'm saying. Okay, it has this one that you can use to blend the hard part. I've been complaining to them that I need blender and fridge, so they've given me blender. I think fridge is very thank you guys for watching. If you got to this point, I love you. I'm going to end this video here because of space. I don't know what my phone is doing, so I already have another phone, so I'm going to move a lot of things to this phone, so I'll have enough space on this my camera, because I'll be calling it camera from now. I'll have enough space on my camera. So yeah, I believe we'll have space for other videos. Thank you, bye, catch you guys.